How to borrow games on Steam. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to borrow games on Steam. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Steam app on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. So, what you have to do is sign out of your account, then have your friend sign in on your PC with their account details. Next, click on Steam in the top left corner. Then go to Settings and select Family from the menu. Now turn on library sharing on this device. You'll see your friend's profile detected on your PC. Enable sharing by switching it on. You can also manage access or revoke it at any time by clicking Manage next to Family Library Sharing. Once done, sign out of your friend's account and sign back into yours. Now head to Library at the top left and you'll see your friend's games listed. Click any game and hit Install to play. It might say borrow, but it works the same way, showing it's from your friend's library. So that's basically how you can borrow games on Steam. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.